everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share a super fun and affordable do-it-yourself project. We're going to transform a dollar store stovetop cover into a beautiful decorative tray. This tray can be used in so many ways around your home as a centerpiece, a catch-all tray, or even just a decorative piece on a shelf. Whatever you decide to use it for, this is a simple and creative way to add a unique touch to your home. Let's get started. For this project, you'll need a stovetop cover from the dollar store, a piece of burlap, nautical rope, a hot glue gun, glue sticks, and scissors. The first step is to take your piece of burlap and cut it to a size that will completely cover the inside of the stovetop cover. You want to have a bit of excess around the edges to ensure it fully covers the surface. Once you have your piece of fabric cut, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now it's time to get your hot glue gun ready. For this next step, you're going to use your hot glue gun to apply glue to the inside of the stovetop cover. Carefully press the burlap into the glue, smoothing it out as you go to avoid any wrinkles. Make sure the burlap is firmly attached and evenly spread out on the bottom and the sides of the cover. Once the burlap is securely glued down on the inside, apply glue to the outer ring of the stovetop cover and press the excess burlap down into it. This will give your tray a more finished look and ensure the burlap stays in place. After you've finished gluing the burlap, flip the stovetop cover over so the bottom is facing up. Use your scissors to carefully trim off any excess burlap hanging over the edges. This will give your tray a clean, polished look. Now, it's time to add the finishing touch with the nautical rope. Start by gluing the first row of rope at the top edge of the stovetop cover. This will leave enough space below for a second row. Once the first row is securely in place, glue a second row of rope directly below it to fully cover the edge. This not only hides the edge of the burlap, but also gives your tray a beautiful, finished, polished look. Once you have the rope glued down, all you're going to need to do is cut off the excess and glue down the end of the rope. And there you have it. It's all finished up and ready to decorate your home. For more do-yourself home decor tutorials, click this playlist right here. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye friends. Happy crafting.